Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the Bulletproof Diesel water pump for you 5.9 and 6.7 Cummins guys. Let's talk about year ranges. If you have a 5.9 or a 6.7, you're covered. It's that simple. From 89 all the way to current, which is 2022, and more than likely beyond there. Check the listing because this video is being filmed in 2022, so if it goes out further than that, make sure and check the listing for if it's going to fit your truck or not. But as of right now, it covers basically all 5.9 and 6.7 Cummins engines, which is fantastic. But let's talk about the features on this pump. First thing you'll notice is it's beautiful. Bulletproof Diesel does not skimp. When they make a part, they like to over-engineer it and make it better than you could even imagine. So let's talk about what they've done to make this the last water pump you'll ever need on your truck. First things first, you're going to notice that this is not a plastic impeller. A lot of the factory replacements or even aftermarket replacements will use a factory impeller on there, which, if you've ever used a water pump with a factory impeller, they tend to fail, especially on trucks you use hard. And if you have a 5.9 or a 6.7, chances are you're using your truck hard. So why would you put a plastic impeller on a water pump? I don't know, and they decided to give you a nice machined metal impeller. You're also going to notice with this impeller that it has more fins than stock. That's to keep water moving and make sure that your truck is going to be as cool as possible under the harshest conditions. Now let's talk about what they've done to make this pump last even longer. And that's going to happen on this side. I gotta tell you, this pump is the most beautiful water pump I've ever seen. I was trying to find a good angle to put it on camera here, and they're all good angles. But you'll notice that this has a very long snout on there. That serves two purposes. One, it allows air to flow through and keep the bearing cool. And two, it gives you a longer section to have the bearing. And the bearing's important because this bearing is larger than stock. The stock bearing is fairly small. In fact, we've probably got some B-roll on over here of the stock water pump compared to this one. And as you can see, the bearings are vastly different in size. And that's going to make a big difference when it comes down to cooling your truck under, again, really harsh conditions. Going back to fitment, this thing is going to seal even better than the factory water pump as well with its included O-ring. So if you are looking to get the last water pump you need on your 5.9 or 6.7, make sure and give us a call or check out this Bulletproof water pump for your truck. We have phone sales technicians on the phones 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, ready to answer any questions you have, or you can reach out on the social medias, email, whatever works best for you. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.